There is a revolution going on in the world of corporate training. Interactive 3D simulations have the power to immerse you in a virtual world where you learn by doing. Using powerful gaming software, you become an active participant in a computer-generated environment. The Epic Software Group of the Woodlands, Texas is pioneering the creation of these kinds of applications for the oil and gas industry. Vic Cherubini, the president of Epic, explains how his team of artists, animators, and programmers developed a 3D virtual oil and gas rig.
Our client, the Houston Advanced Research Center, HARC, is a research hub providing independent analysis on energy, air, and water issues. The Environmentally Friendly Drilling Systems, or EFD program, is managed by HARC. One of their goals is to accelerate the adoption of clean energy technologies while drilling for oil and gas. They wanted an online tool that would demonstrate a variety of new green technologies available to drillers. Initially, we proposed building a drill rig using Adobe Flash for the interactive elements. Unfortunately, Flash will not work on an iPad or an iPhone. We did some research and found others experimenting with powerful software designed to build 3D games. We opted for the Unity 3D game engine and began building all the elements of the rig using 3D Max and SketchUp. Along the way, we worked with a drilling engineer to ensure all of our models were technically correct. We then set out to design an interface so our 3D drill rig could be used on the desktop, on a tablet, or on a mobile device. Using your mouse or your keyboard, you can move around the rig to discover all of the new environmentally friendly technologies. Louis Gaitan is a 3D artist and game developer at Epic. He'll take us around the rig.
We will begin by going up the stairs into the control room, also known as the doghouse. Notice, when we move close to a machine, the sound gets louder. When an item turns green, it is interactive. Here, we will open the door and go inside. See the software running on that monitor? If we click the screen, we can watch a video that demonstrates the program. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a map of the rig site. Press the spacebar to enlarge it. A legend on the left helps you identify all the parts of the rig. If you click on the red binoculars, you will be teleported to that section of the rig. If you come across a roughneck, pause for a few seconds. He will turn and talk with you about his work on the rig. We also designed the application so with one click, you can move around the rig at night.
Thanks, Luis. Now I want to introduce you to our client, Dr. Richard Hout, the director of the Environmentally Friendly Drilling Program at HARC in the Woodlands, Texas.
The mission of the Environmentally Friendly Drilling Program is to find ways to protect the environment while increasing production in the United States. We provide unbiased science in order to identify, develop, and test innovative technologies that address environmental issues associated with energy production. The Virtual Rig project was created to help us meet these objectives.
We also consulted with educators to ensure what we were producing would work as a training tool.
There is no doubt that serious video games and virtual environments will become important components in leading-edge corporate training programs around the world. These simulations are fully interactive and allow for multiple outcomes of the same scenario depending on the choices made by the learner. This technology will help train, inform, and educate the workforce of tomorrow.